So, what are the best penny stocks to buy on October 23rd, 2024? Well, number one recommendation is La Rosa Holdings Corp, stock symbol LRHC. It is up today 140% or 69 cents, trading at $1.18. Since this morning, it already traded 127 million shares. Market cap for the company is roughly $30 million. So, what can I tell you about this company? 4 months ago, it was trading at $2. Over the last 4 months, it basically was collapsing every single day till it hit 50 cents. So, from $2 to 50 cents over the last 4 months, almost no trading volume, nobody's interested, no buyer support, so obvious collapse. So some kind of news arrived today, and suddenly everybody jumps on the stock because 127 million shares kind of tells you that, you know, everybody and their brother want to be on this deal and buying those shares. At the same time, now we have huge buyer support because the stock jumped 140%. Unless you have like a huge amount of buyers trying to acquire that stock, this usually never happens. So, if I were you, I would definitely take a look at the news that are hitting that stock, and if the news are very promising and very powerful for the future of this company, I would probably put some money into it. So, La Rosa Holdings Corp, stock symbol LRHC, only $1.18 a share. Next one is CNS Pharmaceuticals, stock symbol CNSP. It is up today 88% or 13 cents, trading at 29 cents a share. Since this morning, it already traded, listen to this, 427 million shares. I mean, this is like huge. So, and market cap for the company is only $10 million. So this is like nothing. So the main thing is, this is a typical pharmaceutical stock. Nobody cares what they do until they discover some kind of medication and have a proof that it works. CNS Pharmaceuticals was trading, listen to this, at $12 a share 5 months ago, back in June. Then over the last 5 months, it collapsed from $12 to like 10 cents. And for the last, I would say, 3 months, it was just hovering around. I'm surprised it was not delisted because it was trading so low. But the main thing is, some kind of news arrived to that stock, and suddenly the market basically jumps on that stock like crazy because 427 million shares being traded, you know, in the first 90 minutes since the market opened. I mean, this is huge, which means that maybe what they're releasing, the news or the medication or maybe clinical trials, this is something very major, very, you know, I would say probably kind of solid. So, but if I were you, I would definitely go and take a look and see what news driving that stock, and you know, possibly put some money into it. So CNS Pharmaceuticals, stock symbol CNSP, only 29 cents a share. Next one is AG Eagle Aerial Systems, stock symbol UAVS. It is up today 100% or $1.68, trading at $3.36 a share. Since this morning, it already traded 20 million shares. Market cap for the company is roughly $3 million. So this stock, I think, deals with like drones, or it's called UAVs. But the main thing is, the stock 6 months ago used to trade, listen to this, at $40 a share. Then over the last 6 months, this thing collapsed to like $1, from a $40 to $1 within 6 months. And while it was collapsing, nobody was trading it. Nobody was interested in that stock. So it was about to die. However, some kind of news arrived today to this thing, and suddenly, 20 million shares being traded means a lot of new buyers are coming in. And plus, the push of 100% also tells you that demand is very strong, and now the sellers don't want to sell, or at least they don't want to sell cheap. So, and by the way, if you jump into the stock right now at $3.33 right now, and it goes back to, let's say, $30 or $40, I mean, you could make 10 times your money. So take a look, see what's going on with the stock, and maybe put some money into it. So AG Eagle Aerial Systems, stock symbol UAVS, only $3.33 a share. Next one is Tivogen Bio Holdings. This thing is up another 67%, or $1.08, trading at $2.69. So I've been reporting about this stock like for 2 or 3 days in a row already, and it keeps growing. So in the first 90 minutes today, it traded already 111 million shares. Market cap for the company right now is about $500 million. So based on the name, it looks like it's a pharmaceutical company because it has the word bio in it. And the typical story here is that the stock is, or the company is trying to develop something for a long time. Nothing is happening. The stock is pretty much dead. It's hovering around 50 cents for the last 6 months. Nothing is happening. Suddenly, 2 weeks ago, they start to report some kind of news. The stock goes from like 20 cents to 50 cents to $1 to $2, and now it's already pushing almost $3. But the demand is very strong, and the stock is still cheap enough for attracting a lot of buyers. So if I were you, I would take a look, see what's going on. Even though you missed quite a growth from 20 cents to, or 30 cents to almost $3, like 10 times, but still maybe there's still some juice left in the stock. So maybe it will go from $2 to $20, who knows, right? But take a look, see what's going on there, and maybe start putting some money into it. So Tivogen Bio Holdings, stock symbol TVGN, only $2.73 a share. Next one is Virax Biolabs Group Limited, stock symbol VRAX. It is up today 63%, or $1.07, trading at $2.75. Since this morning, it already traded 76 million shares. Market cap for the company, though, is only $12 million. So, what can I tell you about this company? Well, this is definitely a pharmaceutical stock, and based on the word bio, biolabs there. And the interesting thing is, less than 3 months ago, it was trading at $6 a share. Then it pretty much collapsed from $6 to $1 over the last 3 months. And everything was looking kind of bad, no buyer support, everything was collapsing. However, some news arrived today, and suddenly the stock is hot again. I mean, 76 million shares being traded in the first 90 minutes kind of tells you that a lot of new buyers are coming in. And obviously the push of 63% in price also, tells the same story. So if I were you, I would definitely take a look at this company and see what's going on there, and possibly put some money into it. So Virax Biolab Group Limited, stock symbol VRAX, only $2.75 a share. If you want to find out other great penny stocks to buy, go to this website called PNNY.APP and download my app called Penny Gems for iPhone, Android, and Amazon Fire tablets. It covers 2,000 penny stocks. So thank you for your time, and good luck trading. Bye-bye now.